Hi, this is Chandrakant Tiwari from Evergreen Solutions, and today I'm going to discuss with you your options of safely descaling pipeline connections in an industry, home, or any commercial establishment. The most important factor here is return of investment. As you are already aware that pipelines can either be somewhere that are accessible on top of a building, on top of a floor, or on an outside area, or it could be subterranean, under the ground, and probably in inaccessible areas. Now, technologies which are used for the ones that are on top of the ground are what are called dismantleable technologies or pipe dismantleable technologies. You could dismantle them, put them into a tank, and do the cleaning process. But the ones that are below need to have a liquid that flows through them and also does the descaling. Now, the process for both are totally different, and the technologies for both these are totally different. There's one other important factor, and that is the time factor. There are many times you have an alternative pipeline running, whether it is for a building, home, establishment, or a factory, whereby you can run the fluid in the alternative line and probably take your time to descale one. But in case that is not available, then the technology again varies, where you need to find a process which shortens your total time required to descale. Now, descale could be either rust, it could be a limescale deposit, or scale could also be something like a heat mark or a burn mark. So, based on your requirements, the processes change, and so will the technologies change. You can click the link below to schedule a 30 minutes free consultative call. It's absolutely free. There is no commercials attached to it, and this is given free to find out what suits you to the best, and we can discuss your requirements and come up with suggestions. We also are offering a descaling testing kit worth about 7,500 rupees free for all those who cross through this link. We therefore suggest you quickly click the link below, and I will see you on the other side, where we can suggest what is ideal for your set of cleaning, and also what probably will be the ideal method that you could commercialize this entire process. Thank you.